Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account private mode using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to your Twitter account. Then right here, click your profile. Then click Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy and Safety. Then right here, protect your tweets. Only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Tap this one to turn on. And that's how you make your Twitter account private mode. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!